Thirsty drinks. Coming out too fizzy? Use this setting instead. If your drinks foam up, spray into the cup, or just taste too sharp, especially with citrus or cola pods, you're probably using the default sparkle mode. Here's how to dial it down. Step 1. Use ultra-low sparkling mode. When selecting your fizz level, press the sparkling button until the bottom light is on. That's ultra-low. It uses less gas and gives you gentler, more balanced bubbles. Step 2. Use a larger cup and leave some space. Some pods, like citrus or cola flavors, foam more during carbonation. If your cup is too small or filled to the brim, it can spill over. Try the 12-ounce setting with a tall glass and leave a little room at the top. Step 3. Replace the CO2 if fizz weakens over time. If ultra-low suddenly gives you flat drinks, your CO2 might be nearly empty. I've linked the official canister I use below. It's Thirsti compatible and lasts up to 100 pours. If your drinks are still overflowing or extra fizzy after trying this, contact Ninja support. There could be a pressure sensor issue or pod carriage fault. If this helped calm down your fizz and make your drinks smoother, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if your carbonation's been fading lately, I've linked the CO2 canister I use below, easy to install and guaranteed to fit. Thanks for watching, and bubble less,